topic is 1.6. Exercise 1.6. In this topic, we learn about laws of exponents. Let 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. So 3 is multiplied 2 times, 3 into 3 multiplied by this 3 is multiplied 3 times. So collectively, we can write 3 is multiplied 5 times, which is 3 to the power 5. It means if the base is same, exponent can be added in case of multiplication. Like this number is getting multiplied, so and base is same, therefore the answer is same base and power is added. This is equal to 3 to the power 5. This is the rules of exponent. Now, what are the rules? First is, if two numbers, exponential numbers, are multiplied and x to the power a or x to the power m multiplied by x to the power m n, then the answer is x to the power m plus n. Second rule is x to the power m divided by x to the power n. This is equal to x to the power m minus n. Third is x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m multiplied by n. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. These are the rules, and now on the basis of this rule, we solve the question from exercise number 1.6. Number 1, find 64 to the power half. We can write 64 is equal to 8 to the power 2 and to the power half. So 8 to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled. The answer is 8. Second part of 1.6 is 32 to the power 1 by 5. Write 32 in time factors of 2, which is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This gives 32. 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 2 the 16, 2 the 32. It means this 32 only can be written as 2 to the power 5 to the power 1 upon 5. So this is 2 to the power 5 into 1 upon 5. This 5 get cancelled out. Then answer is 2. Third question, third part is 125 to the power 1 by 3. This 125 can be written in factor form, time factor, 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 is multiplied 3 times. So this 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 and to the power 1 upon 3, which in turn written as 5 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled out. The answer is 5. Now question number 2. Find 9 to the power 3 upon 2. This 9 can be written as 3 square and to the power 3 upon 2. So in next step, this 3 square into 3 upon 2, this 2 get cancelled out, and this is equal to 3 to the power 3. It means 3 is multiplied 3 times. So 3 is multiplied into 3 times. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. The answer is 27. Next, second part of question number 2. is 32. 32 is written as 2 to the power 5 to the power 2 upon 5. So this is 2 to the power 5 into 2 upon 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled out. 2a square. The answer of 2a square is 2 into 2, which is 4. Third part of question number 2 is 16, which can be written as 2 to the power 4 to the power 3 upon 4. Here 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled out. 2 to the power 3, it means 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 to the 4 to the 8. The answer is 8. Now fourth part of question number 2 is 125 to the power negative 1 by 3. So 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 to the power negative 1 by 3. In next turn, we can write 5 to the power 3 into negative 1 by 3. This 3 and 3 get cancelled out. The answer is 5 to the power minus 1, which in turn may be written as 1 upon 5. This is your answer. Now the first part of question number 3 is 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5. So this is solved. This may be solved on the basis of formula x to the power m into x to the power n, which is equal to x to the power m plus n. Here 2 by 3 is assumed to be m and 1 upon 5 is assumed to be n. Base is same, so power may be added, which is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Take LCM of 3 and 5. 2 to the power 15. 3 5 is 5 to the 10 plus 3, which is 13 by 15. 2 to the power 13 by 15 is the answer. This can be written as 3 to the power negative 3 at the numerator. When this 3 to the power 3 shifted to numerator, the power becomes negative. So here 3 to the power 3 becomes 3 to the power negative 3 at the place of numerator, and now we can write it 3 to the power negative 3 multiplied by 7. So this may be written as 3 to the power negative 21.